Alright, so this is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. It was just released on the 25th. I ordered it that day, and it got the expedited 2-day shipping, and just came in. So we are going to take a look at the boxing. Cool. Ultralight, 249 grams. This is the Fly More combo, or it should be, and the RC2 remote. There it is. I'm not really a professional unboxer, but I do know how to take plastic wrap off, so here's the shoulder bag. Oh, fancy. The pocket right here for stuff. This is the RC2 remote. Charging case with 2 of the extra batteries in here, so the third must be inside the drone, hopefully. And this isn't the actual drone, is it? This thing is tiny. Alright. Protective case. To the table. Stay strong. Stay strong. To the table, to the table. And this is the easy, I can tell. Gotta stay strong, stay strong. Stay strong. Stay strong. Yeah, honestly, that's pretty cool. I'm excited to use this for listings.